Today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution on how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next tip here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. You come here to external media preferences, you just click on it. So then you come to next tip here, and here can you enable it or disable it here. Here can you manage here media players here for if you want to add for YouTube or YouTube Shorts or Vimeo or Twitch. Here can you select. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.